Do you feel like financial planning is overwhelming? You're not alone, but it's not because you're bad with money. It's because the system is complex, emotional, and stacked against you. Let's fix that. Welcome back to Simply Money. Today we're breaking down 8 reasons why financial planning feels nearly impossible and why it's still one of the most important things you'll ever do. Let's talk challenges, solutions, and mindset shifts to help you move forward. All right, let's not waste any time. Let's get right into it. Point number 1, financial plans are complex. Planning your financial future isn't plug and play. It's like playing multidimensional chess. Every move, when you retire, how much you save, where you invest, ripples across taxes, times, and returns. So what's the solution? Don't aim for a perfect plan. Use simple free tools like NerdWallet's retirement calculator or Smart Asset or the tools inside Simply Money's Mall, and you can get a free membership key down in the description below, and use these to test your decisions. Start messy, but stay curious. Point number 2, money is emotional, not just math. Money taps into our deepest emotions: fear, shame, pride, anxiety. These feelings often override logic and make decision-making murky. One of my favorite books is The Psychology of Money. You can get a copy with the link down below in the description. But here's the solution to the emotions of money. Start by naming the emotion, then return to your plan. Having clear goals helps ground you. Journaling and tools like You Need a Budget or Simply Money's tracking dashboard help build awareness and structure. Point number 3, conflicting advice is everywhere. Every financial guru says something different. Turn on YouTube. What's the solution to this conflicting advice? Filter advice through your goals and your timeline. Test strategies and calculators like Fidelity's retirement score, or build your own framework using a platform like Simply Money's Mall, or even a Google Sheet. The best plan is your plan. Point number 4, you're expected to know what no one taught you. Here's the problem. Most of us were never taught how to manage drawdowns, annuities, or Monte Carlo simulations. Yet we're expected to make expert-level decisions. What's the solution for this? You don't need to master it all. Learn the basics. Sites like Investopedia, Khan Academy, and the Simply Money blog break it down without jargon, and then just build knowledge upon knowledge. Point number 5, your brain isn't built for this. Here's the problem with this. Financial planning demands long-term thinking, but our brains are wired for short-term survival. This leads to biases like present bias, anchoring, and loss aversion. That's why so many people get caught up into day trading, get-rich-quick schemes. We're looking for short-term satisfaction, and investing and financial planning is a long-term plan. So here's the solution. Awareness is step 1. Use visuals like a portfolio visualizer or Simply Money's goal tracker to see how decisions play out over time. Build habits that work with your instincts, not against them. Point number 6, discipline is the engine. See, the problem is the real driver behind every successful plan: discipline. But delayed gratification isn't fun, and it's not easy. So here's the solution. Tie your habits to your why. Whether it's retiring early or funding your kids' education, write it down. What is your why? The why is what gives you the motivation and the discipline. Use habit trackers or accountability apps like Monarch Money or your Simply Money dashboard. These can help you stay disciplined. Point number 7, you're planning around a chaotic world. Here's the problem. Markets, inflation, interest rates, tax laws, all constantly shifting. Yet you're still expected to make long-term decisions. What's the solution to this? Plan with flexibility. Tools like Vanguard's planning tools, Tiller, or your Simply Money simulator allow you to adjust for inflation, market swings, and life events. Last but not least, point number 8, progress is slow and often invisible. The problem is, unlike a workout or a new job, you don't always see financial progress. That can feel demoralizing. So what's the solution to this? Celebrate small wins. Track your net worth, credit score, or emergency fund growth over time. Use tools like Personal Capital, Credit Karma, or the Simply Money Heart feature that shows your financial health to watch momentum build. Financial planning isn't easy. It's emotional, complex, and full of uncertainty. But that's exactly why it's worth doing. Start small, stay curious, stay consistent, and remember, you don't have to figure it all out today. Just take that first step. If this helped you, hit that like and subscribe button and drop a comment with which challenge hit hardest. And if you want to take the next step, check out our free financial planning tools linked below, the Simply Money Mall. You can get a free membership key and check it out. There's so many free tools that you can utilize there. Don't forget to hit that bell to be notified of future videos, and we'll see you next time on Simply Money.